How to activate Venmo card in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to activate Venmo card. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to activate Venmo card. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to go to your phone. And after going to your phone, you need to go to Venmo app and open it. Okay, so go to Venmo app and open it. And okay, after opening Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do now is to go to settings and click on it. Okay, so just click on settings. And after clicking on settings, you just need to choose between these options. You need to choose payment method. Okay, just click on it. After clicking on payment methods, you need to choose the Venmo debit card that you want to activate. And after clicking on it, here you're gonna find the option or the button of activate. Okay, just click on it, and after clicking on activate, so you can activate your debit card, you need to enter the expiration date. Okay, so just enter the expiration date existing on your card that you received. And after doing this, what you need to do is to create a PIN for your card. Okay, and this is all what you need to do. There is nothing more that you need to do. After doing this, you just activated your card on Venmo. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Just follow these steps and you're gonna be able to activate Venmo card. Okay, that would be it, and I will see you in the next video.